welcome to my kitchen. So today I'll be showing you a Star Wars inspired recipe for lightsaber pretzel sticks. So for this recipe, you'll need pretzel sticks and make sure they're this shape. You'll also need chocolate melts in whatever color you like. Consider these like your Kyber crystal that will determine which color your lightsaber will be. You'll also need chocolate chips, a plastic bag or a piping bag, and optionally sprinkles. So let's get started. First, you're going to start by melting your chocolate melts according to the instructions on the bag. So mine says to melt them for 1 minute, give it a nice big stir, and put it in for about 30 seconds at a time until they're completely melted and they look like this. Now we can get started with making our lightsabers. So first, start by taking one of your pretzel sticks and dip it inside of your chocolate. Like that, and gently place it on your plate with parchment paper. And keep going with more. Now that all my lightsabers are dipped, I'm going to move on to melting my milk chocolate while those dry. Once your pretzels are slightly dry and your chocolate chips are melted, you can move on to the next step, decorating the hilt of your lightsaber or the handle. So first, you're going to take your plastic bag or your piping bag, and you're going to scoop your melted chocolate inside your bag. And now seal up your bag. And try to get all the chocolate to move down into one corner, like this. And now with your parents' permission, you can use some scissors to cut an edge of your bag. Just like that. And now slowly go back and forth over your pretzels, creating a handle. Like that. After that step, I like to move my pretzels to a new plate. Very carefully lift your pretzel lightsaber and get the extra chocolate off and move it over here. And now you can move this plate away. And you can optionally add sprinkles to your lightsabers to look like buttons. So take some sprinkles and just put them on your lightsaber hilt. And now you have chocolate-dipped lightsaber pretzels. Let them dry. Once they've dried, you have your very own lightsaber pretzel. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!